Hello guys! Welcome to my channel Sweet Fruit Diet. I'm Olga. I'm a nutritionist with more than 10 years of experience. I already changed the behavior of eating and lifestyle lots of people, and I really want to help you to lose weight and change your thinking about eating well and losing the points. Okay, most of the people think about losing weight and eating. They think about dieting. Well, unfortunately, diet out there tend to cause people to gain weight. Why? Because they starve them to death, and the person eventually breaks down and eats everything inside because they are so darn hungry. This is not a way to lose weight. No, it is a way to live. You only cause yourself stress, which actually causes you to gain weight. So in eating, right, there are a few tips that you can follow each and every day, and they are not going to deprive you of the foods that you love, but treat those foods as luxury items so you enjoy them that much more. Be intelligent about what you eat, don't eat just to eat. Animals eat in instinct, people eat when they know their body really needs it. Don't be an impulse eater. Set meal times and stick to them. Try to have your meals at specific times and eat them at that time. An eating pattern will help you to control what you eat and when you eat it. Also, it really is better to have 5 small meals a day rather than just 1 or 2 huge meals. Just eating once a day makes your body feel as though it is starving, which pack on fat instead of using it as fuel. Also, don't wait until you're starving to eat. This only makes you overeat. Eat only when you are hungry. Be sure to drink a glass of water first to determine if you really are hungry or if you're just thirsty. Many people have the tendency to eat when they see food. It doesn't mean they're hungry, they just want to eat because they see. Don't eat anything you are offered unless you're really hungry. If you feel you must eat it out of being polite, just nibble, don't have a meal. Try not to snack between meals, but if you must have a snack, make sure it is a healthy one. If you have a lot of, try to find healthy snacks and not just food. Veggies make great snacks. They cannot get you through the hunger pangs if you are having them. Carrots are great because they satisfy hunger and they are packed with nutrition. Counting calories is a good idea for those must-have food items. If it is a packaged food item, then it will have a calories on the packaging. Be sure to pay attention to serving sizes in the item of calories. Work off the extra calories by the end of the week. If you feel you have sprinkled too much this week, be sure to get to the gym or go walking a little longer to work off those extra calories you have consumed.